Welcome back, folks. Hope you're having a great week. I was thinking the other day about when I was a kid, and one of the things I loved to do when I was running trains, and that was to take an engine and put as many train cars behind it as I could and see if it could pull it. And I figured, why not replicate that childhood memory here on the layout tonight? So what we're going to do tonight is couple together as many freight cars as I can behind these 4 Norfolk Southern MTH Premier engines. I can't wait to do this. I always like to try different things with the engines because, it's all about having fun. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Tonight I have approximately 60 freight cars that I'm going to couple behind these 4 monster engines, plus an unpowered DPU that I'll put in the middle for more of a prototypical effect. It's going to be kind of a variety of cars, from box cars to hoppers, coal cars, reefers, just kind of whatever I can find. I want to see how long we can make it. Now let's take a closer look at the 4 giants that are going to lead this big train tonight. Our gigantic train tonight will be led by 4 engines. The Norfolk Southern AC 4400 4000. I love this engine with its blue and gray paint scheme. Behind that engine is our SD60 Norfolk Southern with the Honoring Veterans paint scheme. Behind that engine is a Norfolk Southern SD70. The last engine in line is an uncatalogued piece by MTH. It's an SD70 Premier that looks like the Norfolk Southern Savannah and Atlanta Heritage Unit, but MTH created this scheme based on the Southern Railway. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to fire up this big lash up, and I'm going to pull the train around the south end of the layout and get it ready for staging. I just love starting up these huge lash ups. It is so awesome to hear the power. You can feel the power of these huge engines. Let's start it up together. Let's go. The power! All right, we have a long train to pull. We got to get around to the yard so we can get the rest of the cars. Can you even hear me now? It is so loud in here. Let's go. Now that my engines are on the north end of the layout, it's time to do some work in the yard. We're going to start by using this Norfolk and Western Trainmaster to pull out this line of Southern Pacific Food Express reefer cars. Now that we've coupled the cars, we'll go ahead and pull the train forward to make room for the remaining coal cars. I'll use the same Norfolk Western Trainmaster to pull these cars out and couple them to the back of the train. Now that all of these freight cars have been coupled, I'm going to cheat and use my hands to put the rest of the cars on the back of the train. Take your time, I'll wait. First off, what an incredible effort by these 4 engines. I actually uncoupled the cars a few times just to feel how much resistance and tension there was just from the weight of that amount of cars, and it was a lot. So I could definitely feel the heat coming out of these engines, but nothing smells like it's on fire, which is a good thing. But what a great and fun exercise tonight with these. So thank you all for being a part of it. Next week, we're going to celebrate Christmas in July and get the Polar Express running. I'm really excited about that set, and it's always hard to wait until the end of the year. So if you are here for the first time, thank you so much for joining. To all of my subscribers, a huge thank you for all of your support. My name is Chris. This is RBP Terrains. Have a great weekend.